Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, we're going to show you really quickly how you can enable the safe search feature in the PrivacyWall search engine really quickly. So let us get started right away. So in the first step, head over to PrivacyWall.org or launch the PrivacyWall application on your computer or the extension here in Google Chrome. That's totally up to you. And for demonstration purposes, we're going to use PrivacyWall on their homepage. So what you want to do here is simply type in the search bar, the search term or keyword, press enter on your keyboard, and after that, you will be redirected to that list of search entries. So what you want to do, guys, is simply click on Tools here at the top, and here you will see a feature called Safe Search. So if you click on that arrow down icon here, you'll be given the opportunity to disable it or to turn it on. Normally it should be turned on default, so using the safe search feature will allow you to browse through the World Wide Web without seeing any search results from potentially harmful or shady websites and content. So that's totally up to you guys how to use that safe search feature. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.